What just emerged in Pennsylvania shocked scientists. Imagine a hidden world beneath Pennsylvania's surface, a realm of history and mystery that is now being unveiled piece by piece. From unexpected fossil discoveries to ancient artifacts, the state's landscape is revealing secrets that challenge everything we thought we knew about its history. As Joe Rogan once remarked, Pennsylvania has layers of history buried deep within it, waiting to be uncovered. What if the stories we're uncovering now are just the beginning? Let's dive deep into the astonishing revelations that have come to light. Each discovery adding a new chapter to Pennsylvania's hidden history. Discovery of a prehistoric lake. The journey begins with the recent uncovering of an ancient lake bed in the Appalachian region. This site, rich with fossilized remains, dates back millions of years to an era when Pennsylvania was submerged under vast bodies of water. Paleontologists have unearthed well-preserved fossils of prehistoric fish, amphibians, and even early plant life, providing a window into an ecosystem that thrived long before humans walked the earth. What makes this discovery extraordinary is the condition of the fossils. Some of the fish skeletons retain intricate details of their scales and fins, hinting at a thriving aquatic ecosystem. As Joe Rogan aptly put it, it's like looking at a snapshot of a world we'll never fully understand, but can still marvel at. This ancient lake bed has become a treasure trove for researchers, shedding light on how early life adapted to changing environments. Uncovering fossilized forests. Not far from the lake bed, a fossilized forest has been unearthed, dating back over 300 million years to the Carboniferous period. These remnants include ancient tree trunks and root systems, perfectly preserved in sediment. The forest, once teeming with towering plants, showcases the lush, swampy conditions that dominated Pennsylvania's landscape millions of years ago. The discovery of this forest has not only captivated scientists, but also ignited questions about the climate and biodiversity of the era. What did the air smell like in this prehistoric jungle? What creatures thrived beneath the canopy of these ancient trees? These are questions that spark the imagination and fuel further exploration. An ancient cave network. Deep beneath the rolling hills of Pennsylvania lies a vast network of caves recently explored by spelunkers and geologists. Unlike typical limestone formations, these caves contain peculiar mineral deposits and formations that hint at a unique geological history. Researchers have discovered evidence of ancient human activity, including tools and markings on the walls, suggesting that early inhabitants may have sought refuge or conducted rituals in these underground chambers. Joe Rogan, discussing similar findings, once said, "Caves are time capsules. They hold secrets not just of geology, but of human history. Every inch can tell a story." The implications of these discoveries extend beyond Pennsylvania, offering insights into early human migration and survival strategies. Rare meteorite fragments. Adding to the intrigue, meteorite fragments were found in a remote area of Pennsylvania. These extraterrestrial remnants provide evidence of a cosmic event that likely impacted the region's landscape and ecosystems. Preliminary analysis reveals rare metals and isotopes, suggesting a high-energy impact that could have caused widespread environmental changes. The meteorite fragments have sparked theories about their role in shaping Pennsylvania's topography and possibly contributing to mass extinctions. Joe Rogan's observation that every piece of the universe we find on Earth is like holding a piece of a puzzle we didn't even know existed resonates strongly here. Discovery of a hidden underground river. In another stunning revelation, researchers using ground-penetrating radar have mapped an underground river system flowing beneath the Pennsylvania landscape. This subterranean network is home to unique aquatic life forms that have evolved in complete darkness, some of which are entirely new to science. The discovery has opened doors to studying ecosystems isolated for millennia. The implications extend to water resource management, as understanding these hidden aquifers could provide solutions to future water scarcity issues. Joe Rogan's take on such discoveries, "It's like finding an alien world beneath our feet," captures the wonder and significance of this hidden water system. The unexplained formation of mounds. A recent discovery of mysterious earthen mounds in Pennsylvania has puzzled archaeologists. These formations, scattered across the landscape, appear to be the work of ancient human civilizations. While their purpose remains unclear, some theories suggest they were used for astronomical observations or burial rituals. Joe Rogan's insight: ancient people saw the world differently. What we see as mysterious was likely practical and deeply meaningful to them, adds depth to the ongoing investigation. The mounds challenge modern understanding of ancient engineering and cultural practices. Discovery of rare amber deposits. Amber deposits containing fossilized insects and plant matter were recently unearthed in Pennsylvania. These amber pieces are like tiny time capsules, preserving ecosystems from millions of years ago. Pollen analysis suggests the region once hosted dense forests filled with diverse flora. Joe Rogan's remark, "Nature finds a way to preserve its secrets," rings true as scientists examine these amber specimens for clues about prehistoric climates and biodiversity. Ancient stone structures. Scattered across Pennsylvania, archaeologists have identified enigmatic stone structures that defy explanation. Some are simple alignments, while others are elaborate formations resembling early architecture. These sites may have been used for ceremonial purposes or as markers for ancient travelers. Joe Rogan's curiosity about such mysteries: it's not about finding answers, it's about asking the right questions, aligns with the spirit of exploration driving these investigations. Fossilized marine life in the mountains. A surprising find of fossilized marine life in Pennsylvania's mountainous regions has baffled scientists. These fossils suggest that parts of the state were once submerged under an ancient ocean. The discovery challenges conventional theories about geological shifts and sea levels. Joe Rogan's observation, "The Earth's history is written in its rocks if we know how to read it," underscores the importance of such findings in piecing together our planet's past. Ancient fish species discovery. Paleontologists have recently identified a new species of ancient fish embedded in Devonian age rock strata along Pennsylvania highways. These fossils provide incredible insight into prehistoric aquatic ecosystems that thrived millions of years ago. The exceptional preservation of these specimens has allowed researchers to study detailed aspects of these fish, from their intricate skeletal structures to the patterns on their scales. Joe Rogan's comment, "Pennsylvania seems to be a treasure chest for uncovering prehistoric life. It's insane what lies hidden just beneath the surface," captures the marvel of this discovery. Substantial lithium reservoir. Scientists recently uncovered a vast lithium reservoir in wastewater from hydraulic fracturing in Pennsylvania's Marcellus Shale, marking a groundbreaking discovery in resource extraction and renewable energy potential. The lithium-rich brine, a byproduct of natural gas production, could supply up to 40% of the United States' lithium demand. As a critical component of electric vehicle batteries and renewable energy storage technologies, lithium is essential for the transition to a sustainable, low-carbon future. This innovative approach to sourcing lithium not only reduces dependence on international supplies, but also repurposes what was previously considered industrial waste. By extracting lithium from wastewater, researchers could simultaneously address environmental concerns associated with hydraulic fracturing, such as water disposal, while contributing to the green energy supply chain. This dual benefit underscores the potential for technological advancements to transform challenges into opportunities. Joe Rogan has remarked, "The future is in resources we never knew we had." Pennsylvania's contribution to green energy could be game-changing. This discovery positions Pennsylvania as a leader in sustainable energy solutions, blending innovation and environmental stewardship to address the growing global demand for renewable energy resources. It is a testament to the untapped potential of modern science to redefine the energy landscape. Discovery of new bee species. In a surprising ecological discovery, researchers have identified several new bee species in Pennsylvania, including rare ground-nesting and leaf-cutting bees. These findings shed light on the region's rich and underappreciated biodiversity, offering critical insights into pollination ecology and the intricate relationships between bees and their habitats. Ground-nesting bees play a vital role in maintaining soil health and plant reproduction, while leaf-cutting bees are essential for the pollination of a variety of wildflowers and crops. This discovery not only expands our knowledge of Pennsylvania's native bee populations, but also highlights the importance of preserving their natural habitats. Many of these species are sensitive to environmental changes, such as habitat loss, pesticide use, and climate shifts, making their identification a crucial step toward effective conservation efforts. The study underscores the diverse strategies bees employ to thrive, from their nesting behaviors to their specialized roles in pollination networks. Joe Rogan once reflected on similar topics, saying, "Bees are like the architects of our ecosystems. Every new species discovered is a step toward understanding how nature works." These findings emphasize the delicate balance of ecosystems and the essential role bees play in sustaining life, reminding us of the urgent need to protect these industrious pollinators. Insights into white-tailed deer behavior. A long-term study in Pennsylvania has unveiled intriguing patterns in white-tailed deer behavior, including migration routes, habitat preferences, and survival strategies. Using advanced tracking technology, researchers have been able to monitor the movements of deer over extended periods, shedding light on behaviors that were previously difficult to observe. One particularly fascinating discovery involved a buck traveling over a mile to a specific distant location, challenging assumptions about the territorial range and decision-making processes of these animals. This observation highlights the complex instincts that drive white-tailed deer, from navigating seasonal changes to finding safe and resource-rich environments. The study also reveals variations in habitat use, such as preferences for wooded areas during hunting season and open fields for feeding during quieter periods. These findings not only deepen our understanding of deer ecology, but also have practical implications for wildlife management, conservation, and mitigating human-wildlife conflicts. Joe Rogan's take on such discoveries. Every creature on Earth has a story to tell, and sometimes it's the smallest details that reveal the biggest truths. Resonates with this breakthrough. The study underscores the intricate and purposeful lives of white-tailed deer, reminding us that even the most familiar creatures have hidden layers waiting to be uncovered. Identification of 1973 remains. Advancements in genetic genealogy have led to the identification of remains found in Lebanon County in 1973 as belonging to Ruth Elizabeth Brenneman, a 14-year-old who went missing that same year. This resolution brings closure to a decades-old mystery, highlighting the transformative impact of modern forensic science. Through the meticulous analysis of DNA evidence and genealogical records, investigators were able to trace familial connections and confirm Ruth's identity, offering long-awaited answers to her family and community. The case exemplifies the remarkable progress in forensic technology, where even decades-old evidence can yield vital information. By combining DNA testing with advanced database tools, genetic genealogy has emerged as a powerful resource for solving cold cases, reuniting lost identities with their stories. This achievement underscores not only the scientific breakthroughs in the field, but also the dedication of investigators committed to justice and closure for victims and their loved ones. Joe Rogan's insight: the past has a way of speaking to us when we least expect it. Every mystery solved is a step closer to understanding our shared history, aptly frames this achievement. Ruth's identification is more than a resolution to a mystery. It is a testament to the enduring importance of uncovering the truth and honoring those lost to history. Fort Hunter Archaeological Excavations. At Fort Hunter, ongoing archaeological excavations have unearthed artifacts from both Native American and colonial periods, providing a rich tapestry of historical insights. Among the discoveries are a stone-lined well, musket balls, pottery fragments, and tools, each telling a story about the people who once lived and worked at this strategic site along the Susquehanna River. These findings bridge two distinct eras, highlighting the transition from indigenous cultures to European settlement in the region. The stone-lined well offers a glimpse into early colonial infrastructure and daily life, while musket balls and weapon fragments speak to the military significance of the area during periods of conflict. Pottery shards, crafted by both Native American hands and colonial settlers, showcase the convergence of cultures and evolving craftsmanship over time. Excavations have also revealed remnants of hearths, food storage pits, and personal items, shedding light on the social and domestic lives of the site's inhabitants. Joe Rogan's observation: every piece of history adds to the narrative of where we come from, underscores the value of these discoveries. Fort Hunter serves as a vivid reminder of Pennsylvania's layered history, where the traces of its earliest residents and colonial settlers converge to enrich our understanding of the past. James W. Hatch Archaeological Site. The James W. Hatch Archaeological Site in Centre County has revealed thousands of stone tools and hammerstones, providing invaluable information about prehistoric human activity in the region. Dating back thousands of years, this site offers a detailed glimpse into the daily lives and survival strategies of Pennsylvania's earliest inhabitants. Tools such as scrapers, spear points, and blades indicate a hunter-gatherer society skilled in crafting implements for hunting, processing animal hides, and other essential tasks. The site's extensive collection of hammerstones suggests advanced knowledge of lithic technology, where raw materials like chert and jasper were carefully shaped into functional tools. The distribution and variety of artifacts hint at seasonal patterns of habitation and trade networks, revealing the interconnectedness of prehistoric communities. Moreover, the presence of fire pits and refuse areas provides clues about the dietary habits and social organization of these ancient people. Joe Rogan remarked, "The footprints of ancient people are etched in every artifact we uncover. It's like reading their diary." His words aptly capture the profound connection these discoveries create between modern observers and those who lived long ago. The site not only enriches our understanding of human history in the region, but also underscores the ingenuity and adaptability of early civilizations. Ordovician fossils in historical structures. The second bank of the United States in Philadelphia contains flooring embedded with Ordovician fossils dating back over 440 million years. This unique blend of natural history and historical architecture showcases Pennsylvania's diverse past, intertwining geological marvels with American heritage. The fossilized remains, primarily of ancient marine organisms like trilobites, brachiopods, and crinoids, provide a window into a time when much of what is now North America was submerged beneath a shallow sea. These fossils, preserved within the limestone used in the building's construction, highlight the area's rich geological history. This seamless integration of ancient life into a site of national significance makes the second bank a remarkable cultural landmark. Visitors walking across the floors are unknowingly treading on relics from an era long before the advent of mammals or flowering plants. For paleontologists and historians alike, the site offers a compelling narrative, one where the march of time is etched both in stone and in the building's storied walls. Joe Rogan's insight, "It's amazing how history can be hidden in plain sight," perfectly captures the wonder of this discovery. The fossil-laden floors not only connect us to Earth's distant past, but also invite reflection on the layers of history that shape our present. Paleontological resources in Western Pennsylvania. Western Pennsylvania has yielded 300-million-year-old fossils that provide new insights into prehistoric climate shifts and early vertebrate life. These finds, often overlooked, have redefined the importance of the region in paleontological studies. The fossils include exceptionally preserved plants, invertebrates, and early amphibians that thrived during the Pennsylvanian period, a time marked by vast swamps and high atmospheric oxygen levels. This unique fossil record offers a glimpse into ecosystems that existed long before dinosaurs roamed the Earth, shedding light on the evolutionary paths of early terrestrial and aquatic species. The discovery site, nestled within coal-bearing deposits, has become a treasure trove for researchers. Fossilized remains of early vertebrates, like tetrapods, reveal adaptations to changing environments, such as the transition from water to land. Equally fascinating are the plant fossils, which help scientists understand the lush, carboniferous forests that played a key role in shaping the planet's carbon cycle and influencing global climate patterns. Joe Rogan commented, "It's like the Earth whispers its secrets to those willing to listen," emphasizing the significance of these discoveries. Beyond their scientific value, these fossils are a reminder of the Earth's dynamic history and the intricate interplay between life forms and their environment over millions of years. Final thoughts. As these discoveries unfold, they remind us of Pennsylvania's rich and layered history, both terrestrial and cosmic. Joe Rogan's reflections on the interconnectedness of Earth's mysteries serve as a fitting backdrop to these revelations. What lies beneath Pennsylvania's surface may not just change its history, it could redefine our understanding of the world. Leave a comment below and let us know which discovery amazed you the most. Do you think there are more prehistoric treasures or cosmic relics waiting to be found in Pennsylvania? We'd love to hear your thoughts and theories. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on more amazing discoveries and hidden wonders from around the world. Hit the bell icon so you won't miss our next adventure.